All right, YouTube, Dowd out here in the workshop, back with another, just a small little project. Problem with buying a bike that's already really well done is there's not much more you do to it, but got a small one that we want to go ahead and add in. What I've got here is the top lid organizer for the TourPak. So let's go ahead and get this set up and walk you through installing this. So what this is an organizer. Gives you some pouches. You can put, I'm going to store like paperwork, maybe some small tools for checking tire pressure, that kind of thing. Stuff that if I've got the TourPak loaded up that I want easy to get to. And it's all held in with just lots of Velcro and double-sided tape. Pretty straightforward. That's set up over there. So once we've got the TourPak open, what we want to do is kind of fit this and start fitting this in place. So we've got a hole here that goes around the little bungee that holds this back. So again, this is just Velcro on this side. I'm leaving all the double-sided tape in place. I just want to make sure this will all fit in nicely. Come on, round bob. And there we go. Don't pull the Velcro off. There we go. Want everything to stay in. There we go. Fits in. It's got little spots down here for the hinges. Yeah, it looks like this will fit in nicely. And the cool thing with this too, though, is that I'll be able to put my normal TourPak the luggage thing bag. There we go, luggage bag in there, and this won't get in the way because it does not extend very far out. So yeah, all right. So how do we install it? Well, now that I know that I've test fitted this, and this, I'm going to be pretty happy with that. I think this will be pretty good. What I'm going to do is I need to take it back out, and I actually want to run some rubbing alcohol around the inside, make sure that the area that that double-sided tape is going to stick to will stick down real well. The other thing I want to do is see about, applying some consistent pressure to it. So now that I see I got a good idea how it goes in. In fact, this little piece right here, I'm pretty sure I could just get double-sided stuck in place, but we'll worry about that in a minute. Pull you right off for right now. Slide this back around. All right. I'm going to put that piece of Velcro in last. So what I want to do now is just make sure this is all well cleaned so that these strips, I'm going to peel them back and I'll get this in place. These guys I might actually work in after I've got them down in place. I even like that it's got the spot for where the bolts that come around the back actually have little indents for where they're going to go. All right, let's just clean this up and find alcohol prep pads. Lord knows I got plenty of these. Again, all I'm trying to do is make sure there's no oils or anything on the plastic so that I can give the adhesive the best possible ability to stick. Drag that one out pretty quick. All right, I'm gonna need more than just these two. Cool. I have a gallon of 90% rubbing alcohol around here, and I don't know where it is. Story of my life. I think these ones are actually a little bigger. They're not. They're no bigger. All right, so I'm going to start off with these ones on the bottom. And then what I want to do is I want to carefully get it in there and squish this all the way down. And then I believe I'll be able to pull back on the edges and peel these off. We'll see. Let's see what happens. Come on, let go. Let go, double-sided sticky adhesive. Would you please let go? Man, this stuff is seriously no joke. Harley, I don't know what you're using, but Jesus. This is absurd. Oh, Jesus. No, I want you to stay down. Holy God. Oh, I really don't need a mosquito hawk in this. Get lost. Ugh. Should turn on the air conditioning, Jesus. Alright, as hard as that is to pull off, I'm gonna go ahead and pull it off all the way around. And we'll see what happens as I try to get this in place. That came off fine. What is it, just those three in the middle? They have some special ultra sticky? That's off, that's off. You watch, I swear to God, I'll get the last one off and then I'm gonna drop the whole thing right on the ground. I'll call it right now that's gonna happen. I do find it weird that the rest of these are popping off really, really easily, but those three did not. What did I have? I had one more back there. Take it. I'm gonna get it back in its position. Where? So what we do is get this all the way in. All right. I think there we go. I think that's in. Just making sure I've got this all the way down and around. Everything seems nice. Let go. Give it kind of a view around it. Yeah. And it closes up, right? No problem. There we are. Now I've got somewhere to put. Oh, I guess there were instructions. Additional parchment. That would not be enough alcohol prep pads. Apply the hook side mounting. I'm looking at what the instructions said to do. And yeah, now I can store stuff in here. That's only a 5-pound max. So don't fill this with a ton of tools or anything like that, right? That's not what you want to do. But yeah. Well, wasn't that fun? I hope that video helped you. If it did, give me a like, thumbs up, subscribe, all that jazz. You know how this works. It's YouTube. And as always, thanks for watching.